Hi, Wayne, London, England. Back again. The WordPress blog. Yep, it's all up and running. You've got your details set up. Now you want to change your heading. Yep, there's you can change your heading up here. The background image. You can actually add your widgets down the side. Oh, maybe down this side. Okay. The widgets themselves can be anything, text, RSS feeds. You can have your tag cloud in there. All along the bottom here you can actually have your either your comments boxes or additional widgets for actually setting up a bit of information about yourself or some feedback. Now that takes actually some time to actually set up, and if you actually do look at the WordPress blog site, they actually do have a paid package, and you're thinking, well, hang on a second, it is free, but what you get for free is a very minimal amount of information. Start adding widgets, and this is the one thing I found out, is you start adding too many widgets and menus, your site suddenly becomes let's say top heavy, for want of a better word. Yeah, Google and the search engines and the other search engines out there start to actually look at it in a totally different way, and even your hosting provider, if it starts to, it'll affect the way your blog actually functions. A couple of people I've talked to with multiple blogs, only talking niche blogs in the sort of regions of 20, 30, 40 per niche, and multiply that by 200 to 300, you're suddenly looking for a dedicated server to actually run your blog. And one of Paul's has actually sort of you had to take it down and dismantle half the widgets to actually get up and running again. If you're looking for a solution to that, if you type alexa.com, if you actually look at typing alexa.com, which is a little link below here, type in your website, stroke your blog, put your name and your blog actually in there, and see what your Alexa ranking is. Bear in mind, Google is actually number 1, Facebook is followed slightly behind that by number 2, YouTube number 3, Yahoo number 4, and then you go down, and it's the number of basically the ranking, the number of pages actually being viewed by those on those sites, the number of people actually visiting those sites. If you're looking at somewhere around about 100, there's a solution there. Yeah, just have a look at the link below and you can see whether that actually fits in with what you want to do. Lovely, cheers.